The roar of internal combustion engines may soon be a relic of the past, as a new era of electric off-road dominance is on the horizon. In 2024, the future of dirt bike exploration will be defined by a remarkable lineup of electric marvels, each one poised to rewrite the rules of adventure and sustainability. Keep in mind that our selections are in no particular order, so be sure to stick around until the end to find the ideal pick for you. And don't forget to give that like button a tap and hit subscribe for all the latest updates. The KTM Freeride E-XC stands at the pinnacle of electric dirt bike engineering, seamlessly blending high-performance capabilities with eco-conscious design. Boasting a 3.9 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery pack, this trailblazing machine delivers up to 1.5 hours of exhilarating riding time on a single charge. Its rapid charging system ensures minimal downtime, with just 80 minutes needed for a full recharge, allowing riders to maximize their time on the trails. Beneath its lightweight composite frame lies an impressive 18 kilowatts, 24.5 horsepower electric motor, propelling riders to a top speed of 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour, with effortless ease. What truly sets the Freeride E-XC apart is its innovative regenerative braking system, which not only enhances battery life, but also showcases KTM's commitment to sustainable off-road performance. Paired with top-tier WP suspension components and high-quality Brembo brakes, this electric dirt bike delivers unparalleled agility and control, allowing riders to conquer even the most challenging terrains with confidence. Whether navigating tight forest trails or tackling rocky inclines, the KTM Freeride E-XC redefines what's possible in the realm of electric off-road riding, embodying the perfect synergy between power, precision, and eco-conscious engineering. The Zero FX epitomizes the evolution of electric dirt bikes, seamlessly blending cutting-edge technology with exceptional performance. Featuring a modular Z-Force lithium-ion battery system, riders have the flexibility to choose between 3.6 kilowatt-hours or 7.2 kilowatt-hour configurations, offering ranges of 46 miles and 91 miles respectively on a single charge. With rapid charging capabilities, the Zero FX can be replenished to 80% capacity in just 1.3 to 2.6 hours, ensuring minimal downtime between rides. Beneath its sleek exterior lies a potent 34 kilowatts, 46 horsepower electric motor, delivering electrifying acceleration and a thrilling top speed of 85 miles per hour, 137 kilometers per hour, making it one of the fastest electric dirt bikes on the market. Its lightweight yet robust construction, combined with adjustable Showa suspension and high-performance Pirelli Scorpion MT90 tires, provides unmatched agility and control, allowing riders to conquer any terrain with confidence. Additionally, the Zero FX offers customizable ride modes via Zero's app, allowing riders to tailor the bike's performance to suit their preferences and riding conditions. Whether tearing up dirt trails or navigating urban streets, the Zero FX redefines the boundaries of electric off-road riding, offering a thrilling and eco-conscious alternative for adventure enthusiasts worldwide. The Alta Motors Redshift MXR represents the pinnacle of electric dirt bike innovation, pushing boundaries with its blend of electrifying performance and cutting-edge technology. Powered by a high-capacity 5.8 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery, the Redshift MXR offers an impressive range of up to 4 hours of mixed-use riding on a single charge, ensuring ample time for adrenaline-fueled adventures on the trails. With a rapid charging time of just 1.5 hours, riders can quickly get back to the action with minimal downtime. Underneath its sleek and lightweight frame lies a potent electric motor capable of producing 50 horsepower, delivering lightning-fast acceleration and a top speed of 65 miles per hour, 105 kilometers per hour. This exceptional power-to-weight ratio is complemented by premium WP suspension components, providing unparalleled handling and control over rough terrain. The Redshift MXR also features a high-quality Brembo braking system, ensuring reliable stopping power when needed most. With its IP67 waterproof rating and multiple power modes for different riding conditions, the Alta Motors Redshift MXR redefines what's possible in electric off-road performance. offering riders an exhilarating and eco-conscious way to explore the great outdoors. The Cake Kalk OR Race epitomizes the next generation of electric dirt bikes, seamlessly merging sustainable engineering with uncompromising performance. At its core lies a compact yet powerful 2.6 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery pack, offering riders up to 3 hours of trailblazing adventure on a single charge. With a rapid charging time of just 2.5 hours for 80% charge, riders can spend more time conquering rugged terrains and less time waiting for the battery to replenish. Built upon an ultra-lightweight frame, weighing in at a mere 69 kilograms, 152 pounds, the Kalk OR Race effortlessly navigates through tight trails and challenging obstacles with unparalleled agility and precision. Its Öhlins suspension system, specifically tuned for high-performance off-road riding, ensures a smooth and controlled experience even in the most demanding conditions. Adding to its allure is the bike's regenerative braking system, which not only enhances efficiency but also showcases Cake's commitment to eco-conscious design. With 3 ride modes, Explore, Excite, and Excel, riders can tailor the bike's power delivery to match their skill level and riding preferences, making the Kalk OR Race suitable for beginners and seasoned off-road enthusiasts alike. With its carbon fiber bodywork and minimalist design, the Cake Kalk OR Race redefines what's possible in electric off-road performance, offering riders an exhilarating and eco-friendly way to explore the great outdoors. The Sur-Ron Light Bee X epitomizes versatility and reliability in the realm of electric dirt bikes, offering riders a seamless blend of off-road prowess and urban adaptability. Powered by a robust 2.1 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery pack, the Light Bee X delivers an impressive range of up to 60 miles, ensuring adventurers can explore rugged trails and city streets with confidence. With a charging time of 3 to 4 hours, riders can quickly recharge and get back on the road, minimizing downtime and maximizing adventure time. Weighing in at just 50 kilograms, 110 pounds, the Light Bee X strikes the perfect balance between agility and durability, effortlessly maneuvering through challenging terrain while maintaining stability and control. Its adjustable suspension, featuring components from DNAM and Fast-Ace, ensures a smooth and comfortable ride regardless of the surface conditions. Equipped with a powerful LED headlight, the Light Bee X illuminates the path ahead, allowing riders to confidently navigate nighttime excursions. Additionally, its multi-mode power delivery system offers riders the flexibility to adjust the bike's performance to suit their riding style and preferences, whether tackling rugged trails or cruising through city streets. With its dual sport capability and innovative features, the Sur-Ron Light Bee X redefines what's possible in electric off-road riding, offering adventurers an exhilarating and eco-conscious way to explore the world around them.